Starting a US company from another country used to be a complicated process. You had to deal with paperwork, legal requirements, registered agents, banking challenges, and compliance rules, often without knowing where to begin. Today, services like Firstbase make this process much more easier. But is Firstbase really the best way to start a US company abroad? In this video, we will take an honest look at Firstbase, its features, strengths, limitations, and whether it is the right choice for international entrepreneurs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover tools and services that make entrepreneurship easier. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links from description to get the special offers on Firstbase. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Firstbase is a business formation platform designed to help entrepreneurs launch and manage US companies remotely. It is especially popular among founders, freelancers, online business owners, SaaS creators, and startup teams who live outside the United States but want access to the US business ecosystem. One of the biggest advantages of Firstbase is convenience. Instead of dealing with multiple service providers, the platform brings several important business setup tasks into one place. This can save a lot of time, especially for the first-time founders who are unfamiliar with US company formation process. The company formation process is designed to be straightforward. After signing up, you will answer a few questions about your business. You choose your company structure and submit the required information. Firstbase then help coordinate the formation process and guides you through the next steps. Another major benefit is support for the international founders. Many traditional business formation services were generally designed for US residents. Firstbase especially focuses on helping entrepreneurs who live abroad, making the experience more accessible for non-US residents. Business banking support is another area where Firstbase attracts attention. Opening a US business bank account can often be one of the most challenging parts of starting a company from another country. Firstbase helps connect founders with banking solutions and financial services that can simplify the process. The platform also helps with important administrative requirements such as registered agent services and compliance related tasks. These services can help businesses stay organized and avoid missing important deadlines after the company is formed. For startup founders, another appealing aspect is the broader business setup experience. Firstbase focuses on helping entrepreneurs build a complete business foundation rather than simply filling the formation documents. This can be valuable for founders who plan to scale their business over time. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. One reason many entrepreneurs choose Firstbase is it reduces confusion. The platform provides a guided process that helps users understand what needs to happen next. For beginners who have never formed a company before, this can make the experience much less intimidating. Of course, no platform is perfect. While Firstbase simplifies many aspects of company formation, it is still a premium service. Entrepreneurs who are comfortable handling paperwork themselves may find lower cost alternatives available. Some users may also only need basic LLC formation, making other providers a better fit for their specific situation. It is important to remember that no formation service can eliminate all the responsibilities. Business owners still need to understand taxes, compliance requirements, accounting, and other legal obligations related to running a company. So, is Firstbase the best way to start US company abroad? For many international founders, it is certainly one of the strongest options available. The platform focuses especially on the challenges faced by entrepreneurs outside the United States and provides a streamlined experience that combines company formation, banking assistance, compliance support, and ongoing business services. If your goal is to launch a US company with a little friction as possible and you value the convenience over doing everything manually, Firstbase is definitely worth considering. That brings us to the end of this review. Hopefully this video helped you understand what Firstbase offers and whether it is the right solution for your business journey. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description links for any available Firstbase offers. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.